How to set reminder for transit option in Citymapper. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to set reminder for transit option. So to set a reminder for transit option in Citymapper, you have to follow this step. First thing, you need to go ahead and log in into your Citymapper app on the device, and then you can just go ahead and plan your transit journey by entering your destination and selecting your preferred transit option. For that, go ahead and select get me somewhere. So here you can just go ahead and select the location and then the destination, and when you select that, now you can go ahead and start it. Once you've selected your route, now go ahead and tap on set reminder button, which is usually located near the bottom of the screen, by tapping the arrow icon just like that. So when you do that, you can just go ahead and select leave now from the top, and after that you can just go ahead and select the reminder by selecting the date, and then you can just go ahead and select the information, and then you can just tap on the following option that says leave at, and you successfully set a reminder for transit option in Citymapper. By setting a reminder in Citymapper, you can stay informed and organized throughout your journey, ensuring you never miss a transit option or important timing. So that's basically how you can set reminder for transit option in Citymapper. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.